Jai Gurudev students, today I am going to teach you a craft paper bag. So let's get into it. Take a plain paper, it can be in any color, it can be a chart paper or textured paper. It is your wish. What is available you can do with it. So the materials needed are paper. What material you are going to use? You take that sheet, scale, and all the stationery items, and Fevicol, and a thread to tie, and some decorative stones. You can use the material what is available with you. Now take a scale, mark 1 centimeter in each side. The top you mark and draw the line. Now you are going to fold this. Now take some decorative stones to decorate it. Okay students, see, you can be creative and do whatever materials available with you, using the kundan stones and decorative things. Whatever is available with you can use it and decorate it. You can decorate this part in the back side also, and you don't decorate in the side way because it may get crushed. And also you can use the invitation cards, decorative materials. What is available with you can do it. Okay children, thank you.